Now, I don't know if I've mentioned this before on this series, but there's kind of like a particular niche that the handyman inhabits. You know, it's a little different than a contractor or even a subcontractor, even though you can kind of play those roles sometimes. The deal with the handyman is that we catch some serious flack out there. They're like a lot of jokes, you know, like if you hire a handyman, you get this instead of like quality work. So there's, you know, like a lot of that kind of stuff out there. The niche of the handyman is kind of important in that there are types of jobs and sort of jobs of a certain size that no one else is going to touch. If you've got, you know, like a kitchen to remodel or a bathroom remodel or, you know, like an addition to build in your house, you can call a contractor, and that contractor is gonna, you know, they're gonna fit you in their schedule at some point. The contractor will hire subs often or just work with their crew to get the job done. But after that job's done, and I was doing one of these the other day, after that job's done, if you need a light fixture switched out, or maybe some of the trim's not quite right, or there's like a cracked tile. It's hard to get like a tile guy to fix a single cracked tile. There might be tile guys who do that. It's hard to get a contractor to come back and swap out like one light fixture. You have to hire an electrician. Maybe you want to do that, maybe you don't. All right, so the switch is snug, level, and like all three ways, there's no indication of on or off. Hire a handyman. If that dude's got any skill, he can pop the cracked tile and replace it, match the grout and everything, get it back in order. He can, you know, patch some drywall, put up a new light, etc. It's those kinds of jobs that often the bigger contractor dudes just aren't going to touch because they want a big ticket job that spans a week or whatever and brings them in several $1,000s. All right, let's figure out what's wrong with this picture. We've got a fairly solid post here, not too bad, but this dude is just sagging so bad. What's funny is that it looks like it's been cut off on the bottom over time to kind of make it work. Anyway, I think I'll just pull this guy off, rebuild it. This seems solid over here too. You know, even hire an electrician to just do like 5 minutes worth of work might not be worth it to you, whereas you could hire the handyman to like replace a railing, patch a drywall, put a light up. It's going to take an hour and cost you $50. There's a little bit of sag over here too, but not too bad. I think the main thing is just to rebuild that gate. Anyway, that's like the particular niche of the handyman. I don't know if it's worth mentioning, but I think it's kind of important to have people who are jack of all trades, tradesmen, who can come out to a house and do a bunch of things. there's a look at the gate. Remember, he didn't want like a brand new gate. He just wanted the existing one fixed up. I think I might come back and trim the top just to make it all match, but you know, basically it's functioning now. But anyway, for what it's worth, that's the niche of the Handyman.